Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add content under proceed to checkout button in cart page using custom code in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page and we are going to add content under proceed to checkout. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So you can add your text here. Secure checkout, 30-day returns. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to cart page and refresh the page. Now you see our custom text below, proceed to checkout button. Now you see secure checkout, 30-day returns. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.